Today we will solve the numerical number 9. This is chapter number 3 physics from class 9. This numerical states that two balls of masses 0.2 kg and 0.4 kg are moving towards each other with the velocities 20 meter per second and 5 meter per second respectively. After collision, the velocity of 0.2 kg ball becomes 6 meter per second. What will be the velocity of 0.4 kg ball? First of all, we draw the diagram showing the balls. For example, this is the first ball and its mass is 0.2 kg, and here this is the second ball and its mass is 0.4 kg. These two balls are moving towards each other. For example, it is given that the velocity of the first ball is 20 meter per second. I write here 20 meter per second and let it is moving towards right. I draw a arrow showing the direction of the motion. And the second ball is moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second, and this ball is moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second. Since both are moving uh, towards each other, it means that the direction of the motion of this ball will be from right to left, this side. It means that if we are taking the direction of 20 meter per second from left to right as positive, then this is the opposite direction, then this direction will become negative. So we will take this number as negative 5 meter per second, the velocity of the second body which has a mass of 0.4 kg. Now we are given that after collision 0.2 kg balls with the 6 meter per second, this velocity becomes 6 meter per second after collision, and we have to calculate the velocity of this ball after collision. First of all, we write the data here. For example, the mass of the first ball m1, it is equal to 0.2 kg, and the mass of the second ball, it is m2, and this is equal to 0.4 kg, and the velocity of the first ball, let it is v1, it is 20 meter per second, and the velocity of the second ball, it is v2, and this is negative 5 meter per second. I have given the reason why we have taken the negative sign with this 5 meter per second. And the velocity of the first ball after collision, this is v1 prime, it is 6 meter per second, and the velocity of the second ball after collision, this is v2 prime. We have to calculate this velocity. We know that according to law of conservation of momentum, total momentum of the two bodies before collision, which is m1 v1, this is the momentum of the first body before collision, plus the momentum of the second body before collision m2 v2, and this plus sign gives the total momentum of the two bodies before collision, will be equal to total momentum of the two bodies after collision m1 v1 prime, this is the momentum of the first body after collision, and plus m2 v2 prime, m2 v2 and prime, this is the total momentum of the second body after collision. Now we put the values here. m1 is 0.2, and the velocity before collision was 20 meter per second. We will multiply with 20, plus m2 is 0.4, and the velocity of the second body was negative 5, as it was moving in the opposite direction to the first body. And after collision the masses remain same. There, that is the mass of the first body will be 0.2, and after colliding the first body has a speed of this 6 meter per second. I write here 6 meter or just 6, and plus m2, that is the mass of the second body, it is 0.4, and the speed of the second body after collision we have to calculate. We will write as v2 prime. Now multiplying 0.2 with 20 we will get 4, and here plus and minus will give us minus, and 5 4s are 20, it will be 2, and here it will be multiplying 6 with 0.2 will give us 1.2, and plus 0.4 v2 and prime. 4 minus 2 will give us 2, and taking this 1 minus 2 uh, after the equality sign, it will become negative 1.2, which is equal to 0.4 and v2 prime. 2 minus 1.2 will give us 0.8, and this is equal to 0.4 and v2 prime. Dividing 0.8 with 0.4, we will get v2 prime, and when we divide v 0.8 with 0.4 we will get it is 2. 4 2s are 8, so it is 2 meter per second. It means that the second body after collision, for example this, if I draw here they are colliding, and after collision the first body moves with a velocity of 6 meter per second. Since it is positive 6 and we have taken the positive direction of the speed towards right, it means that it is moving towards right. And we have calculated the speed of the second body here, v2 prime. It is also positive, that is 2 meter per second. It means that this body after collision also moves in the same direction as the direction of the first body. Before colliding or before collision it was moving in the opposite direction, so we had taken here the negative sign, and after collision, since the velocity v2 which we have calculated is positive, it means that the second body moves towards right. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you must have got how to tackle with this numerical. See you in next lesson.